Hello, I'm Frander, and in this video you will learn how to be skinny forever and lose weight and have the body you want. Many people don't know that also skinny people sometimes don't want to be skinny, or sometimes, but in my case now I accept the type of body I have. I admit that I hate to make exercise, but you know what I do, what I love, to work and help my parents, and I know that I make some exercise doing that. But my goals is also not to change my body. I'm okay now with the way I look. I just want you to know that it's possible to lose weight if that's your goal. I'm not saying that you will be a person with a person like this, but I just want you to know that you will lose weight, whether if you're a boy or a girl, because also many boys want just to lose weight for some reason. I will explain you and you will understand that this is the correct way to lose weight fast. And so first let's start with, many people have different type of body. I know now that some people can eat a lot and they can't get fat, and many people that is fat don't eat a lot, and even that they still get fat so fast, or their body just don't want to lose weight or something like that. So we need to understand that. And also there's other things that we don't know. Even I have looked for many videos to explain you, and people say that maybe there's some type of I don't know how to explain it in English. It's called in Spanish grasa marrón. I don't know how to say it in English. Maybe it's true. Maybe some people have this type of thing in their body that makes them not to get fat. If they eat something, that thing it's in their skin or something like that, fast to not get fat. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not. But I just know that some bodies can't get fat, because on TV I saw a girl that was eating a lot, many hamburgers and things with many of that makes people get fat, and she was skinny, and she was saying that if she doesn't eat, her bones will start to get weak and she will get sick, and it's a bad disease. So that makes us understand that our body can just, even if you eat a lot, you will not get fat. So now let's think that we have a normal body. If we eat a lot, we gain some weight. But I really want to help you, even though I don't know how that works. Now I understand, since I got sick of my stomach. So when I was 5 years and things like that, I was like a normal kid. I knew, my father said to me that I was not eating well, and it was not easy for me to eat many things. I was I don't want to eat that, I don't like it. But I was in school a weak student, so that's why sometimes my classmates made fun of me and things like that for being weak. So I know that I was a weak student, but I also knew that I wasn't eating well and a lot, Sometimes I was come to eat. My mom was telling me come to eat, and I was I don't want to eat, but I have to eat, not get sick. So then I grew up, and I know that I started to eat many snacks and things that is not good for our body if we eat a lot. But I was eating those things, and that made me sick. And even when I had depression, I was not eating in the morning. I said how that happened to me in my other videos, if you want to know how I got sick. So I was not eating well, and I got sick of my stomach. I always knew that I had stomach problems since I was a kid. I couldn't eat many things. So when I got a little bit more older, 16 years or 80 years, I don't know, because now I'm 24 I think. And I got worse of my stomach, and my stomach was just if I eat something, it will hurt, because I will have many air in my stomach, and I will have diarrhea sometimes, or constipation stomach. So I was worse. Then I started to quit eating, to stop eating things like bread and things with sugar. I loved bread since I was a kid. I was not drinking milk. I still don't drink milk and things with many sugar. So because I live in a small town, like around our town, people like get many vegetables and things like that. So that's why it's easy for me like to eat those things that doesn't have many sugar and things like that. So since I started eating like that, I started to lose weight, and it was not a good thing because I was already weak in being sick with it. I thought that it will make me like more skin and more weak, but now I understood thanks to that I'm sick, that I can control my weight. And even though I'm not a fully healthy person, like I know not now that my weight is because of the things I eat. I don't drink sugar drinks with many sugar and things with like French fries, those type of things, because my stomach will get worse again if I eat a lot of that. So even though I wanted like to eat many things or like to eat many bread or like cakes, I started to get sick and things like that. So I went to the doctor, and a doctor told me that it's okay that if I keep my weight like this, because it means that I'm not getting worse of my stomach. But also it's okay if I have more weight, because to not be a weak person, because if you are a weak person, your bones can break fast. That's why it's also so bad to be like so skinny. So, but now I know that I eat a lot of things. I don't even eat vegetables because some of them it makes bad of my stomach, like onions and many tomato and things like that. But if you can eat that, can you imagine? You can eat many things, and I don't know, you will lose weight so fast. So what I'm trying to tell you is that you can't stop to eat, because I know many people or that just stop to eat, and that's the worst way to lose weight, because you will not lose weight. You will eat again and you will have the same weight you have. So you need to change what you eat. People say sometimes I'm on diet, or like I'm making diet, I don't know how to say this, and they stop to eat, or like they just don't eat some things that they know that they will eat later. So the best way to be on diet is not like to stop to eating like I'm so hungry, I don't want to be, is to eat a lot. Eat a lot that things that it's good for our body. For example, if you want to drink something so sweet, or like that it's bad for our body, drink a lot of water, and after you drink that water you can drink like the thing you want to drink, like the sugar drink, and after that you will know that you don't want to drink it anymore. Maybe just a little bit, but you will just, and that's the way you will stop. I'm not saying that you need to stop drinking. Just sometimes it's okay. But for example, if you ate like a pizza now, because that's how it worked for me when I was sick, I know that I love pizza, so I ate one bat with tortillas, and with other things I was like, no, I can't just eat just pizza, I need other things to eat. And my mom, because I was sick, gave me other things, and I was like, one pizza and I eat other things. In like that, I will not eat like many pizza, because it will make bad to my stomach, and that's how maybe it can help you. If you love, like, you can finish a whole pizza, I don't know how to say this, like a complete thing. You just need to know that you need to eat other things, and like that, even though you know that you can finish it, when you eat other things, like when you force yourself to eat other things, even though it's not like so delicious like the thing you want to eat, you will know that your stomach will feel full. So every time that you know that you can eat something, try to fill your stomach with other things, not just water, because drink water also with just water with milk you also sick. Drink other things that it's healthier, like drink 2 bananas after you eat some. Fruits are like the best sugar for our body. It's also been said that many fruits is also bad for our body, because it's also sugar, so that it's also bad for your body if you drink many sugar, because bananas have many sugar, because that's the way you will lose weight in a healthy way. And the best thing, you don't have to make exercise, just live your life and don't be focused like I'm losing weight, because life is so short, like to be losing weight like for 2 months or like 3 months. But to me, like, I just want you to think I will lose weight this year, but without knowing it. Like, I'm losing weight. The next week, oh, I lost other like some weight more, and the next month I lost some more weight and things like that. I know that, for example, in other places like United States, it's what I heard from my other family that is in the United States. It's so easy for you like to buy food, things like that. Food like that, it's not like healthy and things like that. But I want you to like try to go to the supermarket and like look for the best things you can eat, because I just know that there's healthy things, but we decide to buy other things. And you need to, and this will help other of your family, because when I was not like sick, like since I'm in my family, we used to eat a lot of things, and now that I explain them this is how this works, they also even have changed. They even said I need to drink some water, because they see that I drink water a lot. So they also start to think about their body and their health. So this is not just about you, it will help your friends, your family, and things like that. And if they ask you, you just need to you don't need to hide, like, you just need to tell them that you're trying to take care of your body. You're not losing weight, you're trying to take care of your body, because it will make good to your mind, to your way, to the way you feel. You will feel happy with you want to work, if you feel bored like now, you don't want to do nothing and things like that, it's because you're not feel well. Your body needs to feel healthy, and suddenly you will feel like, I want to go this, or like, let's go to work, I can help you and things like that. And even though if you are studying, like, how can I lose weight, even I'm just sitting on it. For example, in my case, I'm learning languages like Japanese all this year, like the past year 2023. It was just like writing all that time, so I didn't have more weight. I'm the living proof that your weight will not change, even though if you're like working all the time, like sitting there and things like that. So I hope you understand some things, because we're not sure about this, because maybe even if you try a lot, like to eat super healthy, maybe you're not will lose weight. So you just need to accept that that's your type of body. Or if you're so skinny and you eat so like many things, you need to accept that you will not be like other. Your body is in that way. So maybe it's not good like to force your body sometimes, like if you see that you're not changing. But try to be healthy and eat a lot, because diet, like the way, even I have heard like models and famous people that say, I'm on diet, so I need not eat. So it makes me so angry when they say that, because I know some people, or like young people, can like copy that, and they will do that and they will get sick. Even I heard that someone said that person stops to eat a whole day to lose weight. So to me that's so surprising, because to me it feels like I can't like stop to eat in a whole day. I even when I eat late, I feel like, no, I need to eat fast, because sometimes I think something hurts in or like my stomach starts to make noises. So I can't understand other people. Maybe it works for them, or maybe not. Maybe they're lying to us. All I know now is that I'm sick and I'm eating health. So maybe you want to lose weight. I don't make exercise like 1 hour and things like that. I just sometimes during a week or a month, I start to jump the rope, because I love to run, or I go with my family in our house, like in the forest, and I just help them or walk around the house. And please walk, because being sitting all the time, it's bad for our body. So you need to stretch your body and not like I'm going to stretch my body for 5 minutes. Just do it like it needs to be something that you do, but without forcing yourself. It needs to be part of like your daily routine, or like clean your room. That's the best exercise for me when I feel bad of my stomach. I just know now that I need to, because I love languages, I just know that I need to spend my full time learning languages. So maybe someday I will go to the gym and I will explain you how to make exercise in the gym. And if you like have more weight, accept yourself, because it doesn't matter like the way you look. It matters more like the way you feel about other people. And the last thing, you need to accept that you're handsome and beautiful, or like, because if you don't feel, or like if you don't feel beautiful, or like you think you're not handsome, or like you feel you're so ugly, that's so bad for your brain, because maybe first what you need to do is to accept that you have some parts of your body that you don't like. I know that, for example, I make my faces on the mirror and I even laugh on myself. I wish I knew this in the past when I had depression, because when I had depression, everything started to get ugly, like the way I look myself, or like the way I thought about myself, like I'm not good in this, and like I don't like nothing, you know. But now I know that everything around me is beautiful. Even animals, I started to love a lot of animals, like spiders and things that I used to dislike and to be afraid of, you know. Now I think that a spider is an animal that wants to live, and I can't hate them all the time, like try to you know. And now I love everything, you know. That's how I want you to feel at the end of this. If you take care of your body and your mind, you will start to love everything, and try to consider yourself like the most beautiful person in the world, because that's not bad, because if you think someone is ugly, that word will be in your mind, and you will start to look at yourself like you're as ugly. But if you think you're handsome, you're pretty and beautiful and things like that, you will see other people as so beautiful, and consider yourself like the most beautiful person. It's not bad, because the bad thing is that if you think you're ugly, if you think you're pretty and things like that, you don't need to be like, oh, I'm a bad person and I'm thinking that I'm so handsome, things like that. I don't know how to say this, how to explain it in the right way. You need to think that you're the best person, like you're doing the things right, because you will start to see other people like that. And that's it. I hope this can help you to achieve your dream. And my goal, explaining you all this, it's not to get sick, because I don't want you to follow what other people think, because this is how it works for me. I eat a lot, but healthy things, you know. And you can also eat the things you love, you know, sometimes, and it will not make you like have more weight and let's eat healthy, even though if you don't want to lose weight, you know. So that's it. Thank you and bye.